Imagine living in a mansion so luxurious that it doesn't stay in one place. A two-story home, complete with bedrooms, lavish bathrooms, designer kitchens, and even rooftop lounges. Except it's not built on land, it's rolling down the highway. Today, we're diving into the world of double-decker mansion motorhomes, massive moving castles worth millions. From billionaire toys to futuristic designs, these are not just RVs, they're palaces on wheels. So buckle up, because here are the top 5 double-decker mansion motorhomes, luxury on wheels.
Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Futuria Double Decker Motorhome, a German masterpiece that looks like something straight out of a James Bond movie. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a luxury apartment and party palace rolled into one. On the lower deck, you'll find a sleek living space with leather sofas, ambient LED lighting, and a fully equipped kitchen. But head upstairs and you'll discover the real showstopper, a rooftop terrace with a jacuzzi hot tub. Yes, you heard that right. This double-decker RV comes with its own open-air jacuzzi, perfect for enjoying a champagne evening under the stars. The Futuria also has room for a sports car in its built-in garage, meaning you don't just travel in style, you arrive in style. With a price tag well into the $1 million range, this rolling mansion is reserved for those who demand the very best. Imagine pulling up at a luxury campsite, stepping out of your motorhome, and then driving off in your sports car while your friends are still setting up tents. That's the Futuria lifestyle. At number 4, we have the Volkner Performance S, another German-built double-decker beast that pushes RV luxury to the absolute limit. Volkner is known as the Rolls-Royce of motorhomes, and for good reason. This motorhome is practically a moving 5-star hotel. The highlight? A hydraulic car garage hidden underneath the RV. You simply drive your Porsche, Ferrari, or Lamborghini onto the platform, and it disappears seamlessly into the belly of the vehicle. Inside, the Performance S boasts a double floor design that allows for enormous storage space and thermal insulation. You'll find handcrafted interiors with marble countertops, premium leather seating, heated floors, and even an integrated entertainment system worth thousands. The upper level has a master bedroom with panoramic windows, so you wake up to breathtaking views wherever you park, be it the Alps, the desert, or the seaside. This RV costs around $2 million, and customization options are endless. Want a champagne bar? Done! Need a custom cinema room? Consider it installed. The Volkner Performance S isn't just transportation, it's a statement of wealth and taste. It's no wonder many billionaires and celebrities consider it their home on wheels. Taking the number 3 spot is perhaps the most futuristic motorhome on Earth, the Motorhome Element Palazzo Superior. This vehicle looks like a spaceship landed on the highway. With its sleek aerodynamic design, rounded windows, and towering presence, the Palazzo Superior is unlike anything else in the RV world. It's a 3-level motorhome. Yes, you heard that correctly. While technically 2 main decks form the living space, the design integrates a sky lounge that rises hydraulically from the roof, creating a private terrace with breathtaking views. Inside, it's pure opulence, a 167-square-foot master bedroom with a king-size bed, an ensuite spa bathroom, rainfall shower, and even a dressing area. The living room is decorated with hand-stitched leather, Italian wood finishes, and a 40-inch flat-screen TV that emerges from the wall at the touch of a button. One of its standout features is the Sky Lounge. With the press of a button, a rooftop deck rises into position, creating a private oasis with seating and a bar. With a price tag of around $3 million, the Element Palazzo Superior is not just an RV, it's a super yacht on wheels.
Only the wealthiest individuals can afford one, and it's often compared to the kinds of luxury usually reserved for private jets and palaces.
Coming in at number 2 is the Featherlight Vantair Platinum Plus, built in the United States and known as one of the most expensive RVs ever created. This motorhome is the definition of excess and luxury. The interior includes Italian leather, Swarovski crystal accents, marble flooring, and rare Inca marble countertops. The designers even incorporated precious stones into the detailing. What sets the Vantair apart is its incredible garage bay for a sports car, which can house a Ferrari or Lamborghini, making it perfect for luxury travelers who want to bring their exotic ride along. The double-decker design allows for a spacious upper deck with a full master suite, gourmet kitchen, and even a built-in treadmill for fitness on the go. The price? A staggering $2.5 million, depending on customization. This motorhome isn't just about traveling in comfort, it's about traveling with unmatched extravagance. For many, it's less of an RV and more of a mobile mansion designed for royalty.
And finally, at number 1, we have the Anderson Mobile Estates The Heat, a 2-story motorhome built for the biggest celebrities in Hollywood. Anderson Mobile Estates are famous for designing custom double-decker motorhomes for stars like Will Smith, Brad Pitt, and Vin Diesel. These RVs aren't just luxury, they're film sets, mobile offices, and private homes combined. The Heat in particular is a 1,200 square foot double-decker mansion on wheels that costs upwards of $2 million. On the lower floor, you'll find a state-of-the-art kitchen, luxury bathroom, and a massive lounge area with widescreen TVs. But the real magic happens upstairs, where hydraulic walls expand outward to create an entire second story. This level can be customized as a private office, movie theater, or even a recording studio. For Hollywood stars who need to live and work while filming on location, Anderson Mobile Estates provide the ultimate solution. It's not just transportation, it's a personalized luxury lifestyle on wheels. This motorhome proves that with enough money, you can literally take your mansion wherever you go.
And there you have it, the top 5 double-decker mansion motorhomes, luxury on wheels. From German engineering masterpieces like the Faulkner Mobile to futuristic designs like the Palazzo Superior and Hollywood icons like Anderson's The Heat, these motorhomes redefine what it means to live on the road. For most of us, these are dream machines we'll only ever see in videos or magazines. But one thing's for sure, they prove that the future of travel is all about luxury, mobility, and imagination. So, which of these incredible double-decker mansion motorhomes blew your mind the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear which one you drive off into the sunset with. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing luxury lifestyle content, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and remember, sometimes the journey is just as luxurious as the destination.